Hi guys, today I decided to tell you about some great migrations. I've watched about one of them, which is the migrations of elephants. Well, it's just great. It's the longest elephant migration on our planet, which takes place next to the border with the Sahara Desert, and it's about 300 miles, which is more than 1,600 kilometers. It's also very interesting that those groups of elephants, herds, are led by matriarchs, so females actually lead those herds. And that migration is a really hard way through human settlements, through sandstorms, which elephants have to struggle through on their way to better life, to a new land. Thank you.